Effortless online money making for newbies, $100 a day. So what's the easiest way to make money online without much effort? Well, to be the laziest, it has to check a few boxes. First off, you shouldn't have to show your face on camera or be some big influencer. Also, creating products or managing a course is too much hassle. And of course, it can't cost a ton upfront for ads or inventory. Lastly, the money-making method should keep paying off for a long time without much ongoing effort. Now, when I talk about a long half-life, I mean you do the work once and it keeps making you money for years to come. I think I've found the ultimate lazy way to make money online that meets all these criteria, and I'll spill the details. You might have seen other videos suggesting things like filling out surveys or doing tasks like transcription or creating videos or images. The catch with those is that you get paid for each task, but you have to keep doing them over and over to keep making money. If you're looking to make money quickly, doing tasks might work, but the catch is, once you stop, the money stops too. So, in my opinion, that's not the best lazy way to make money online. If you prefer smart work over hard work, you're in the right place because I feel the same way. So let's dive into what I believe is the best lazy way to make money online. It involves high payout partner product and pairing it with a high leverage traffic source. Now you might be thinking, what on earth does that mean? It might sound complicated, but trust me, it's the laziest way in my opinion. Let me guide you through an overview of how to make this happen. Step 1 is to find a connection between your interests and market visibility. It's pretty straightforward. Grab a Google document, jot down everything you're into, and try for at least 20 items. This can be hobbies, stuff you enjoy reading or watching, basically anything you're interested in. Next, compare your list with what's on your screen right now. If you need to, feel free to pause the video. Look for any overlap between your list and what I've got here. Just cross out anything on your list that isn't related to what's on the screen. Now, you might be wondering why we were doing this, but trust me, it's all going to make sense in a moment. Moving on to step number 2, you'll want to team up with a high payout product that's already finished. Fortunately, there are various websites with marketplaces that let you tap into the earnings from the sales. Check out some of these platforms: digistore24.com, clickbank.com, and a couple more I'll share in a practical example later in this video. I won't just talk about it like some other videos you might have come across. I'll actually guide you through each step to make it clear. Here's how you actually go about it. Head to a site like digistore24.com, navigate to their Marketplace tab, and click on the category that aligns with what you wrote down in step number 1. Now, look for a product that's priced at least $500. Why? Well, if you get 50% of that, you're making $250. Even just one sale per day can easily surpass $100 per day with this lazy method. After that, sign up on the website, in this case Digistore24, click Promote next to the product you want to push, and voila! You'll get a magic link, and I'll show you exactly what to do with this magic link in a moment. Now for step number 3, let's dive into the lazy content traffic formula. The first part is all about formulating your ideas. Head over to YouTube, search for the category you noted down in step number 1, and find the top 3 channels in that category. Check out their most popular videos by clicking the Popular Videos button on YouTube. Note down the 10 most popular videos from each of those 3 channels, giving you a total of 30 ideas. Here's where we do a bit more work, but trust me, it's much better than other online jobs out there. The beauty of this method is that it can keep making money for years into the future, and it truly is a lazy approach compared to other methods that require continuous effort. Open up the videos you've noted down, and then rewrite their content in your own words in a Google document. Alright, when I do this, I like it to keep it lazy. I speed up videos to save time and make sure what I jot down is unique. Use a tool called Copyscape to check uniqueness. It's cheap. Feel free to get inspiration from multiple videos, do some online research, and gather the best parts for your script. Choose something that you're into because you might add extra value. Open up Google Slides, make a good-looking slideshow with pics and icons, try Flat Icon, pixabay.com, and pexels.com. Record it using OBS, a free screen recorder. If talking's too much, hire someone cheap from Fiverr or Upwork. Easy, right? Now, just upload those videos to YouTube, optimize them, and drop that magic link in your description and pinned comments. Boom! You've got an asset that can pay you for years. Here's a breakdown to make $100 a day doing this. Set a schedule for 3 videos per week, record them all in a day, then upload and schedule them on YouTube. Easy, right? After a year, you've got 144 videos. If each gets 1,000 views per month, Mostly from your top 10%, that's 144,000 views monthly. If just 0.0004% of viewers buy the product you're promoting, being conservative here, that's 57 sales monthly. Multiply that by $1,000, assuming that's the product price, and you get $57,000 per month. As an affiliate, getting half of that, you're looking at $28,000 a month. Way more than $100 a day, but I just want to highlight the potential of sticking with this lazy method. It's lazy because you do the work once and it can keep paying you. Cool, huh? Now, does uploading 144 videos guarantee this much money? Not automatically. But I want to illustrate the potential of what, in my opinion, is the best lazy way to make money online. Here are 3 bonus tips to potentially boost your earnings with this lazy method. And by the way, if you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more. Bonus tip number 1. Create what I call lazy revenue by tapping into recurring income. Look for products with a monthly fee, usually software. Let me break it down with an example. If you're promoting a program on growing YouTube channels, you can also promote software like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. You'll keep getting a monthly paycheck as long as people stay subscribed. It's a sweet deal for ongoing lazy income. Bonus tip number 2. Use other software to create your videos. If your category is tech-related, OBS is fantastic for screen recording. Another option is VideoScribe, a software for making whiteboard animation videos. Check out Philosophies for Life. They have nearly 1 million subscribers and pull in over 1 million views monthly. Imagine the potential sales if they're partnered with a high-profit product. You can also explore Animaker if you want to dive into animations. Easy, right? Bonus tip number 3. Delegate and scale. Once the money starts rolling in, you can't truly be lazy. Hire people to do the tasks you don't enjoy. Hate making videos? Get someone to do it for you. Thumbnails and video optimization a pain? Hire someone for that too. That's exactly how I manage over a dozen YouTube channels. I'm not working non-stop, I just have people handling it for me. Here's a suggested process for hiring. Start with an idea finder, then a writer, a voiceover artist, an editor, and finally a thumbnail maker. Screen grab that for future reference when you're building your team. To manage your channel workflow, try using Trello.com. It provides a handy calendar view too, showing when each video is scheduled to go live. This, in my opinion, is the ultimate lazy way to make money online. You're planting seeds that can potentially pay off in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.